Welcome to Retro Car Talk. Today I'm checking out something that is seriously cool. A 1987 Holden VL Commodore. Honestly, this thing is an absolute time capsule of the 20th century. First up, look at the color. Kimberly Bronze is such an iconic VL Commodore color, and it suits the car perfectly. This VL sits on a set of Simmons V5 mesh wheels. These were a popular choice of the time. The Berlina pinstriping and straight body lines really set it off. Now, the interior, and wow, this is where the car really shines. For a car that is nearly 40 years old, the interior has to be a 9.5 out of 10. The interior color is sandwood in Berlina spec, and it makes such a nice change from the 50 Shades of Grey interior of modern cars. The dash isn't cracked, and the plastics still look great. Even the steering wheel is in near perfect condition. Under the bonnet, this VL is sporting the legendary Nissan RB30E engine. It is super clean and even still has some of the original General Motors stickers on the parts. Now let's check out how it drives. This one is an automatic. There's no clunking noises, it just glides through the gears. The RB motor is famously smooth. Overall, this VL Commodore is a super clean example of an iconic Holden. What do you think of the VLs? Drop us a comment below. Thanks for watching Retro Car Talk, and we'll see you in the next one.